Pinnipeds, also known as seals, are fin-footed, semiaquatic, primarily maritime animals that are widely dispersed and diversified. More than 50 extinct species have been described from fossils, and there are now 34 species of pinnipeds. Although originally it was believed that seals had two ancestral lines, molecular data indicates that they only have one. Pinnipeds are members of the order Carnivora, and weasels, raccoons, skunks, and red pandas are their closest surviving relatives. These species diverged roughly 50 million years ago. Sizes of seals range from 1 meter or 3 feet 3 inches in length and 45 kilograms or 99 pounds in weight to 5 meters or 16 feet in length and 32 kilograms or 7,100 pounds. They have four modified limbs that function as flippers and sleek bodies. Seals are more supple and agile than dolphins, while not swimming as quickly. Otterids typically utilize their front limbs to go through the water, whereas phocids and walruses mostly use their hind limbs. Otterids and walruses have hind limbs that can be used as legs on land by pulling them under the body. Phocids and walruses lack external ears that may be seen, whereas otterids do. Pinnipeds have highly developed senses. Their eyesight, hearing, and complex tactile system in their whiskers or vibrissae are all adapted for both air and water. Some animals have evolved to be capable of deep diving. Except for the walrus, all species are coated in fur and they have a layer of fat or blubber under their skin to stay warm in the chilly water. Although there are many different species of pinnipeds, the majority favor the cooler seas of the northern and southern hemispheres. Most of their lives are spent in the water, although they occasionally come ashore to mate, give birth, molt, or flee from predators like sharks and orcas. Even though they prefer the ocean, seals can also be found in freshwater. Most of them eat fish and other marine invertebrates, but some, like the leopard seal, also eat large vertebrates like penguins and other seals. Walruses are designed specifically to eat mollusks that live on the ocean floor. Pinniped males frequently mate with multiple females, though the extent of polygyny varies by species. Females are primarily responsible for raising puppies, which are normally born in the spring and summer. Some species mothers fast and only feed their young for a little amount of time, while others go on foraging expeditions at sea in between feeding sessions. Numerous vocalizations are made by seals, including the gong-like calls of walruses, the barking of California sea lions, and the intricate melodies of Weddell seals. The indigenous populations of the Arctic have long utilized the meat, fat, and fur coats of pinnipeds. Seals have been portrayed in numerous civilizations throughout the world. They are frequently housed in captivity and occasionally trained to carry out tasks and tricks. Seals and walruses, which were once brutally targeted by commercial businesses for their products, are now covered by international law. The International Union for Conservation of Nature has listed the Mediterranean monk seal and Hawaiian monk seal as endangered, while the Japanese sea lion and Caribbean monk seal have gone extinct in the last century. Pinnipeds are threatened by accidental trapping, maritime pollution, and confrontations with locals in addition to hunting. And here are some interesting facts you might not know about seals. Heavy human smokers and seals both have high blood levels of carbon monoxide. Researchers believe that seals' blood carbon monoxide levels are related to their deep dives, whereas people get it by burning tobacco. According to one study, elephant seals hold their breath for roughly 75% of their lifetimes, which causes the blood to contain about 10% carbon monoxide. Like cats, seals have numerous, well-developed whiskers. They share cats' highly developed sense of touch. Scientists believe that seals can detect vibrations from swimming prey using their whiskers. In the wild, blind seals appear to be able to hunt and eat without sight. In general, seals won't suddenly or purposefully attack humans. Although they are extremely rare, seal assaults have been reported on a few occasions. Since seals are neither poisonous nor rabid, even if they bite you, they cannot kill you. Despite the fact that seals are mammals, they rarely contract rabies because the disease is more prevalent among terrestrial mammals. However, diseases like the famed seal finger, a common consequence of seal bites, can be transferred by seal bites. That was all for now. If you want more videos like this, please like, subscribe, and leave us a comment for more topics.